it's cold. It's really cold.
It's a little cold.
It's like 40 degrees out. But oh my God, this ride looks amazing. And just so you guys know, this is the world's largest traveling roller coaster. That means they take it down, bring it to Germany, put it back up, take it down from there, bring it to London, put it back up, and here we are riding it. Oh crap, here we go.
Terrifying. Oh, geez.
It's very terrifying. Oh my God. Oh, here we go. Ready? Okay, here we go, guys. Oh, man. Whee! Oh, loopy-loop number 4. Oh, whee! And 5. Oh, it's the most loopiest Olympic coaster ever. Woo! All right. Whee! This roller coaster, still like one of my favorite rides in the entire world. If you ever happen to be in Germany over Oktoberfest or London over Christmas, you gotta come ride Olympia looping. It kicks ass. Love it?
Love it.
So we are up here on Olympia looping, and this is, what is this considered? The world's largest traveling roller coaster. So you take this sucker apart, put it back together, bring it to other countries. It operates in England, Germany, it's been in Sweden and Groningen, all over the world. All right guys, get ready for it. This ride is intense. You ready?
No.
Here we go.
Crap.
No! Loopy-loop number 1! Oh, man! Blue loopy-loop! Oh, red! Oh, man! I love this like mini like lift hill thing. Ah, crap! Loop-de-loop green! Oh! And final loop-de-loop! We're at the Olympics now! Hooray! Gold medalists! And whee! Here we go! Oh! How was that?
That was great, except it crushed me. Ugh.